When you first subscribe to Pure Leverage, you are going to want to use the Elite Coaching Program to learn how to make money marketing online. The Elite Coaching Program is a $297 per month value that is an invaluable training asset that comes with Pure Leverage. The coaching program will teach you how to use all the other tools Pure Leverage provides, such as the lead capture page, video email service, authority blog, turbo traffic generation, and live meeting room. Pure Leverage is a systematic suite that helps you leverage any product, service, or solution to prospective customers. To use Pure Leverage, you should have a basic understanding of online marketing. All this suite does is extend your marketing range and effectiveness, but you still have to do all the necessary work. To know more about Pure Leverage, please visit www.bestsystemever.com.